Reception. So far we've looked at addition and number bonds. We've looked at our number bonds to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and now 10. And I'd like us now to think about how to subtract. Here is the sign for subtract. Here is the sign for subtract. Subtraction means the numbers become less. Your turn. Subtraction means the numbers become less. We can remember how to say less with our Makaton sign. Less. The numbers become less. The numbers become fewer. Your turn. The numbers become fewer. We can use our same strategies that we've used for addition in subtraction. But in subtraction, we're trying to find what the difference is. We're trying to find what the difference is. We're trying to find how many are left. Your turn. We're trying to find how many are left. So there's lots of words for us to practice when we're using subtraction. Here's the word subtract. Practice again. Subtract. We can also say minus. Your turn. Minus. We can say fewer, fewer, and we can say less. And you know the Makaton action for that. The sign looks like this when it's written down in number sentence. You can make that with your arm. So we're going to work out how to make the numbers less. We can use a number line. We can use our drawings. We can use our fingers. And we can use number sentences. And this is what number sentences look like. So when I'm subtracting, I'm making the numbers less. So which way am I going to go on the number line? If I am subtracting 8 and I'm minusing 1, I need to start with my 8. So I circle my 8 and then I jump. Am I jumping forwards on the number line? Am I adding? Am I making more? No, I'm not. I'm making less. So I'm jumping backwards on the number line. How many am I jumping? I'm jumping 1. So 8 minus 1 takes us to 7. I can also draw that out. So I can draw out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I know that I'm going to minus 1. I'm going to cross out 1. We cross out 1. How many have I got left? What is the difference? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 left. So what would that look like with my fingers? I make sure I start with my number 8. I'm going to minus 1. Am I going to add? No, I'm going to make them less. So I'm going to put 1 down. So 8 minus 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 7. We can also use our part-whole model, our number facts, and our number bonds to work this out. So in subtraction, we're told what the whole is. So we're told the whole is 8. And then we're told what one of the parts is. We're told 8 minus 1. What one of the parts is. 8 minus 1. So one of the parts is 1. Now, when we're working with part-whole models, we know that there's a missing part. And using your number facts and number bonds, you may be able to work that out. What's the missing number? What's the missing number to make the whole 8? We've already got 1. And we're going to count on. We've already got 1. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many is the missing number? The missing number is 7. And that's how we use our number facts and our part whole models that we've been practicing to make subtraction work as well as in addition. We can also use a number bead, and you may have these on an abacus at home, or you could make it with a pipe cleaner. So here the number beads are separated into tens. That's what 20 looks like. That's what 10 looks like. I'm going to have 8. So there's my 8. And I know that the question's asking me to minus 1 or 1 less than 8. So I'm going to move 1 bead away. And how many am I left with? 7. I'm left with 7. I can move 1 bead away again. And 7 minus 1 is 6. If I've got 6 and I minus 1, it's 5. And 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Until we get to 2 minus 1. Checking with our fingers together, 2 minus 1 is 1. So today we've learnt how to subtract. We've learnt how to look at how to make numbers less. We're looking at what is left when we're subtracting, and we're looking at what the difference is. And we can do that also with a number story, which I will do via a different video. See you then, mathematicians.